I hear there was a secret chord that David played, and it plays the Lord. Would you really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like the step for the five, the minor five, and the major life, the perfect king composing. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bobbing on the rope, her beauty and the moonlight never tricked you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your drum and she cut your hair, and for your lips she tripped. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody for It's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not someone who's in the light, it's all